Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make blueberry cornbread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 large eggs ready. Finally, prepare 1 cup of delicious blueberries. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, melted butter, and 2 eggs. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, and we want it perfectly tender. It's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold 1 cup of blueberries into your batter. Be careful not to crush them. Next, pour the mixture into a greased 9-inch square baking pan, spreading it evenly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Your delicious blueberry cornbread is ready. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing into squares. It's absolutely delightful served warm with a generous pat of butter or a sweet drizzle of honey. This versatile treat also makes a fantastic side for savory dishes like chili or a comforting stew. Enjoy every single bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.